Cool, huh? The flaming plum pudding. And see, the heat burns off the alcohol. Look at that. We're supposed to be singing, "We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year."
Very nice. Any words, Craig, about the flaming dessert?
Smells delicious.
Smells like brandy.